The trend, I think, at the current rate we're going, reserved paid parking in a parking yard is kind of going to be the future of truck parking, for better or for worse. I think that comes with some advantages and disadvantages. Again, we'll see what the government does as far as stepping up to the plate. There's that truck parking bill that's out there that can definitely help. As far as truck stops go, that is a local government jurisdiction that we can, I don't know how we address that or if we can.
Yeah.
But I think that's just something that it's a new reality that I think truckers are going to have to face.